Hello and welcome to this short DJI tutorial where I'm going to show you how to use quickshots on the Mini 4 Pro. Now, quickshots is a really handy feature for those of you who are really new to flying drones because it allows the drone to just do some automated flying shots, which is going to help you capture really nice footage with literally next to no effort at all. So in order to actually get into the quickshots, we have to first click on the film reel icon here above the record button on the right hand side. That's going to bring up our sort of camera mode selection. Then we want to scroll down on the right hand section until we see here we have quickshots. Then if we click on quickshots, we can now see all of the different quickshot options available to us. So we have droney, rocket, circle, helix, boomerang and asteroid. Now depending on which of these you choose, there are also some extra parameters you can set. For example here, if I click on the droney, it shows me what the drone is actually going to do, a little bit of a preview. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get myself into view of the drone. So I'm going to bring myself into view right here. There we go. And now we can see I've got a little plus on the screen so the drone can select me as a subject. It's going to come a little bit closer. Okay, so if I then click on the plus, that's going to select me as a subject. Now it's beeping a bit because we're a bit close, but it's okay. And then we can see here we have distance here. Now this allows me to set the distance that the drone is going to fly to whilst doing the droney. So in this instance, I can choose between 30 and 120 meters. So for ease of sake, I'll leave it at 30. And then we're going to just click start here on the right hand side, the green button. Then the drone is going to count us in and then it's going to begin. It's going to start recording and then it's going to fly away and it's going to complete that automated maneuver that we've asked for. We can give a little wave, pretend I'm on a beach somewhere, sipping a cocktail, life is good. So once the drone goes back to 30 meters, it's going to stop recording the video, and then it's going to come back to the starting point to make things really nice and easy for us. So now we can see it's making its way back, and it's made it back. Now something you really want to check when you first set up your quickshots is going to be your camera settings. Now you still have all the same control that you would have in your normal video shooting mode, so you can have auto or you can have your pro mode as well. And then one thing you definitely want to check is a lot of the times from the factory, for quick shots, the drone will come set at 1080p. So if you're shooting in 4K, you need to make sure that you change that frame rate and resolution to whatever it is you want to be using. So in this instance, I have 4K 30 selected, but I could use 4K 60 if I wanted to. So that's basically how you use quick shots. Basically, all the quick shots work in a similar way. Few of them, like I mentioned, have extra parameters, but basically the drone is going to complete the maneuver, come back to you and record the whole thing automatically. So like I said, there are a lot of different options when it comes to quick shots. We have the droney, the rocket, the circle, the helix, boomerang, and the asteroid. Now the only thing you want to make sure is just wherever the drone is planning to fly during that maneuver, just check to make sure you've got a clear space and it's not going to crash into anything. If you've got obstacle avoidance like on the Mini 4 Pro, that is obviously going to help you out, but always just double check to make things that little bit smoother. Now it's really simple when using quick shots. The drone literally does everything for you. It makes it so much easier. You can get all your friends in, select the flight path you want to use, and then just let it go. So that is how you can use quick shots on the Mini 4 Pro, some of the settings that go along with it, and that you can also set your camera settings if you want to as well. If you've gained value from this video, consider becoming a member on Patreon, as it's one of the best ways to support the work that I'm doing here. Now I actually also have a complete drone videography course which will take you from where you are now all the way to an advanced drone pilot and a cinematic genius. Now it's literally already transforming people's flying and footage, and it will do exactly the same for you. Now I've actually also started a weekly newsletter giving you the latest drone news, hot tips and discounts, and you can find all of this linked in the video description down below. And whilst you're down there, make sure to tap the subscribe button for more videos like this. You should go and check out this video next. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.